Well, hello everyone, and welcome to In the Cannabis Closet with DrRon, yours truly. Hey, that's me. I know, I was out limping around the block one day with DrRon, and I Googled myself. And guess what? There I was. Wow, on the internet. Wow. Hey, a lot of people ask, hey Doc, what can we do with our tailings or trailings or whatever you want to call it from vaping? Well, I'm a vapor. As you know, I own an Arizer and I love it to death and back. Probably the best thing I've ever done for my lungs. What I do is, no, this isn't vitamin C. Inside of there is where I keep my tailings or trailings or whatever you want to call it. And what I do is I like to take one, and you can buy this. I buy it at Smith's. Simply organic mint blend tea. And along with that, what I like to do is put one rounded, whatever this is, tablespoon, teaspoon, I don't care, a healthy dose, a good healthy dose of one rounded, and put it not in a cup, but in your tea basket. Okay, just like that. And there you go. Put the lid on your tea basket. And you're good to go. And there you got it. And talk about lit. Oh, yeah. You'll enjoy this. Remember now, the reason is because it's already decarbed from partially decarbed, if not all decarbed, but I would say it's probably partially decarbed from vaping it. So, yeah, it's going to be psychoactive. So, if you don't like the high, don't do this with your trailings or tailings or whatever you call them. All right, well, until next time, I've got a couple of cups of tea to drink, so I can go enjoy the rest of the day. Until then, hey, I'm DrRon in the Cannabis Closet, reminding you to grow healthy. Speaking of grows, I've got one coming up here shortly. I'm just trying to find some seeds.